Fatima. Come on, some love for Afreen. Afreen is a 21-year-old architecture student from Kerala. Sketching, henna designing, dancing and photography are some of the artistic things that she loves. Determination and focus are her keys to success, and she aims to do big in life. Wish you all the best, Afreen. Fantastic. And last but not the least, Onkana Sarkar. Woohoo! They're all going so well. Nice. Onkana is a 23-year-old multimedia student from Kolkata, a fun-loving girl who likes to put her thoughts on canvas. She's passionate about designing and modeling and is thrilled about dancing and traveling, among many other things. Onkana, wish you all the best, and you're looking fantastic in the dress. Hit the head ramp with the girls. I'll take care of the mic. Ladies and gentlemen, let's cheer for Team Gloss. Give us a photo of this. Katrina. Just a couple of steps back, Katrina, here as well. Yes, yeah, that's okay. That's it. Can we, one more time, give a round of applause to Team Gloss and the effort put in. Fantastic, fantastic girls, fantastic Katrina. Thank you so much. This was lovely. Team Gloss, this was wonderful. Arey, वापस आ रही है. They're the designers of the clothes they were donning, the outfits they were wearing. I'm going to tell you something about these three lovely designers. Ritika Bharwani, about Ritika, a creative spirit, the love of fashion and affinity to exploring new cultures through her art led Ritika Bharwani Jaisinghani to decide at 15 that she would be a fashion designer. That's just one of them. We also have Zulekha Sharif, a self-stimulated designer who uses influence and heritage for her inspirations. Zulekha Sharif mixed her old world customs and modern values to launch herself today. And last but not the least, the lady responsible for the clothes of the girls is Babita Malkan. Ladies, I'm going to call on stage Sonam Kapoor and Katrina Kaif and Manshi Gua, General Manager, L'Oreal Paris. Ladies and gentlemen, the three lovely ladies on stage. All right, let me ask my first question to Manshi. Can I? May I?
I think it's only fair.
It's only fair, right? Manshi, very few people get to sit between Katrina and Sonam Kapoor. How are you feeling?
Well, when I stand next to these ladies, I feel only one thing, which is short.
Nicely put, ladies and gentlemen, that was nicely put. Okay, Sonam, Katrina, my dusra sawal for both of you. I don't think the world has seen you all sharing a stage or sitting so closely to each other lately. So what do you have to say about that? Both of you, come on.
Katrina,
Katrina,
answer that I don't bite.
you don't bite?
I don't bite. I won't bite. I promise.
I
She
don't
can interchange seats, I still won't bite.
I think I'm a source of entertainment to Katrina. She loves sitting next to me. She's constantly laughing when I'm around, which I think is amazing. I love Katrina. I think I've said several times. So I think it's great that we can share a stage together. I think lots of actresses wouldn't be okay with doing that, and I'm quite happy and honored to be on the same stage as her. So.
No, that's very humble. Round of applause for Sonam for saying such sweet and nice things. Come on, she's being really sweet. That was really nice, Sonam. I was really touched with that. Okay. Okay, moving on. Now, let's throw this open for the media. Do we have questions for the lovely ladies on stage? Do we have a mic for the media as well? Can we say a raise of hands and please introduce yourself and go for your question.
Hi, Mansi. Hi, Mansi. This side. Yeah. Is Shoma Ghosh from Grey Shobha magazine. मेरा प्रश्न आपसे ये है कि इस बार कैटरीना फर्स्ट टाइम रिव्यू कर रही है आपके, इससे पहले ऐश्वर्या जी और सोनम जी भी किया है. आप इनके पहली बार करने कितना एक्सपेक्ट कर रही हैं कि कैसा ये अलग होगा, कितना अच्छा होगा, क्या एक्सपेक्टेशंस?
Obviously, अच्छा ही होगा. So I'm very confident about that. I think we have 3 wonderful women and 3 amazing stars. So it's going to be a great can once again.
Hi Mansi, this is Pooja, freelance journalist. I would like to ask you, how has been the journey of L'Oreal? How was the transition? It's been 18 years of L'Oreal.
It's 18 years since we've been, makeup partners in the Cannes Film Festival. It's been, I think, a very, very good journey because most of our most famous celebrities have always walked the red carpet. There are celebrities who have also grown with Cannes with each passing year. So I think we have some wonderful memories. And when I sometimes look back and see all the old photographs, I think you can see the journey of a brand, the journey of the celebrity, and also the journey of partnerships. Because many of our celebrities have been there for, for decades with us. So I think it speaks a lot about the brand and the kind of people we have with the brand.
7 years with L'Oreal.
Thanks.
And 5 years at Cannes as well, right? And your 5th year at Cannes. Fantastic. Can we have another question?
Hi, Katrina. This is Sohail over here. Hi. We're missing you a lot, in fact. Happy to see you again over here. How are you preparing yourself?
Happy to see you too.
Yeah, thanks. How are you preparing yourself for the Cannes Festival?
Well, I think L'Oreal has an amazing team that works in Cannes, and I think works with a lot of their ambassadors from all around the world. So you have a great team already in place with your hair, with your makeup experts, with stylists as well. So that whole team is in place, and I think they've always done an amazing job. So I'm happy to learn from them and to see new things, experience new trends. And then, of course, if I'm still uncertain or insecure about something, I'll just pick up the phone and call Sonam, because I think she's the best person for advice when it comes to clothes or when it comes to style and fashion. She always gets it bang on. And if she's next door and I still don't have anything to wear, I'll just go into her room and take a dress. Do you mind? No, thanks. No, I've known Sonam for quite some time, and she's a really, really sweet and special friend, I think I can call her. So if I need any help, I know she's there. She'll help me.
Hi, this is for Sonam and Katrina, both of you.
Where are you?
I'm here. The meaning of fashion changes every time. So what fashion means to you?
Can you repeat the question again?
The meaning of fashion changes every time. What fashion means to you? Sonam and Katrina?
The meaning of fashion changes every time. So what fashion means to you?
Go for it.
Honestly, there's fashion and then there's style. Fashion is about trends and it's about what's, now in vogue. But style is something which is timeless and classic. And yes, you're right, fashion keeps changing, but inherent style always remains. And so it's just about, anything that represents your style, and you kind of have to adapt fashion of any era to your style.
And what about Katrina? What's her view?
I was listening, sorry. What is my view? I think nobody better can answer that question than Sonam. I think she said the correct answer. I do believe that style is a little more personal, and fashion is something which can be dictated by, fashion editors, fashion magazines. And I think if you are very comfortable in that world and confident, then you should definitely experiment and try new things, and if you have good direction as well. And if not, I think if you're not a person who likes to experiment too much with fashion, I think that's okay also. As long as you're comfortable in your own skin, I think fashion should not ever overpower you. You should always dress for yourself first and then for other people.
Nice.
Thank you.
Where's the next question? Don't feel pressure to ask a question. There are many questions happening on the side screen as well. I can slip one of them.
On your left?
Yes.
On your left, hi. I would just love to ask you, okay, you're doing very well at your professional level. When do we get to see you married? When is that day going to come? Because finally,
She's gonna get married after me. We've decided this, and
when is that going to happen?
we don't know yet.
Katrina, what's your answer for this?
I think that's an excellent suggestion. I should get married after Sonam, and I don't think Sonam knows yet as well. So I think neither of us know. Marriage should be special, and marriage, I think, should be magical. And you should just get married when you look at each other and you're 100% sure you never want to live without that person. And I hope that happens soon, and for me, and for you, and for Sonam, and for all of us. Very
Too
soon.
young, man. ये साल आपकी शादी हो सकती हम लोग उम्मीद करते हैं कि इस साल कटरीना आपकी शादी हो सकती है
मैं सोच रहा था आप पूछेंगे शादी पे मैट लगा रहे क्या ग्लॉस
वो मैं पूछ लूँगी वो तो हमेशा
Sorry, I didn't hear the question.
इस साल आपकी शादी हो सकती है कटरीना खबरें आ रही हैं इस बार रणबीर भी रेडी है
See, everything is possible. Ho sakti hai is a very generic. I mean, anything is always possible. But I don't have any plans yet, so I can't share the plans with you. But if I do, and when I do have the plans, I promise you, I will tell you. That's my promise.
मालदीव्स के वेकेशन पे आप गई थी आप वहाँ से आ भी गई जल्दी कुछ खास वजह कि आप इतने जल्दी वहाँ से आ गई लॉरियल ने आपको बुला लिया
Manashi's fault. All Manashi's fault. She called me. I had to come back. All the way back on the plane, I was only thinking about Manashi. See her face. But it was a very important event. This is something I think was really special, the thought of what has been done today. Basically, I think Cannes is something which always seems very out of reach, probably for most people. And